Hi guys, Pavel from Emotidi speaking. In today's unboxing video, we have finally something special like a graphic card. Yeah, it is not the latest generation, but still 3080 is really decent card for almost whatever use case you will need. So let's go, and without further ado, let's jump into the opening the box. So first, let's find the correct side. Let's double check the box. I hate one thing. This box is completely new. Someone already tried to open it, but it wasn't me. And yeah, that's everything you need to see about the box. And let's go and check it inside. I don't want to damage the box more than it is necessary because it's a pretty box. Asus always has nice boxes. Okay. I got shit. Let's put it out. So, nice box. Oh, maybe better to do this way. And now the card plus something else. First, the speed setup. I don't know if anybody needs the setup for GPU. Expect sometimes overclocking, but oh yeah, we have I would say almost the gaming card, which proves that this is Asus TUF 3080. Nice, I like it. Manual, some certificate. Thank you that you choose the best product ever, and I mean the Asus graphic card. And set up in many languages. Packing is pretty solid. And card itself. So let's put it out, check if there is something else. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's remove this. Don't make too much footprints on the card. Nice, and I like it. What I really love about the TUF series of Asus is this kind of a machine. I would name it as a machine, maybe army kind of a design logo. Here will be RGB. Not necessary, but why not? The heatsink is thick, nice, I like it. We have how much? 2 for 6 heat pipes. That's fine, I like that. 2 8 pins for 3080 generation. It's pretty normal. Okay. What I like is the kind of a pass through the heatsink. So if the fan blowing through, the hot air goes directly out, which is perfect if you have the card this way. The motherboard, fresh air, hot air, and go out, and as hot air always go up, and the top fans in your case suck it out. Perfect. Okay, how about the connectors? We have 4, 3, 2 HDMIs and 3 display ports. That's fine. I'm not sure that I know anybody who will ever use all these 5 slots. At best, I know one my friend who has 4 monitors. So even for him, this will be pretty enough. And it's nice to see that there is a cover sticker to not to scratch this kind of a shiny part. I'm not sure if I'm blind or something like that, but this is not a pure silver, but it is something like a dark silver with a bit of a black, and it looks perfect. I really like it. Okay, 3 fans, spinning just perfect. From the back side, yes, there is a magical button here, or a switcher, for silent mode and overclocking mode. The difference is there is no difference, and 100% of people will use the OC mode, because why to use silent? Who will use the silent mode with the graphic card? I don't know anybody who will ever use it. But yeah, it's nice to have a possibility. And it's metal. I really appreciate it, because I had in my hands a few 3080 graphic cards, not the cheapest one, which had this backplate from something plastic. First, the thermals was absolutely horrific, because plastic things are not a good heat sinks. This is a heat sink itself, which is glorious. And at last but not least, it looks perfect. It's something like a brushed. It's not aluminum, it's something else, but it's brushed, so it makes a detail like we'll take a sandpaper and do this. I don't know how you, but I really like it. What more I would say about this beautiful card? I would say beautiful. I think that I don't need to say much, except we can double check what's on the back side of the box. What Asus tell us about this card. 3 fans, yeah, quite obvious. 2 heatsinks, yes, the thing with 2 heatsinks, like here, is nothing new for Asus graphic cards. Even what I know, the 2000 generation, 2080, 2070, even some 2060s has this kind of a dual heatsink, which is pretty nice, and it worked perfectly, so why not to have it? What's next? Some overclocking, that's nothing special. Note about the durability. Yeah, because there is a steel backplate and 2 heatsinks, then as you can see, the card is pretty tough. And I like it because you don't want your card to bend one way or another. Okay, toughness, durability, perfect. The input output, this is everything what we already spoke about. It's GDDR6X memory, which is top notch, and yeah, that's probably everything important about this masterpiece. I really like these TUF cards because of their overall design, where I like it, the machinery or army style, call it like you want, and that's pretty everything about this card. Guys, I really enjoyed this kind of a unboxing of a graphic card, because graphic cards are special, because in spite of the other things which I have reviewed already, the graphic cards has so many details, like you can speak about the edge of the heatsink and RGB, and where it's opened and where it's closed, and from which to where the airflow goes, about the fans, about the ports, about connectors, about everything. And for me as a presenter, it's absolutely glorious and I love it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed the video, so I hope that you too. If you like it, please give it a like and share. If possible, subscribe either. And I hope that we will see soon each other very later. So have a great day and enjoy the show. Bye.